The Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro is a very interesting watch when it comes down to the features we get. So today I will show you some awesome tips and tricks that you can probably use every day. The first one definitely is a very useful one, and that is the orientation feature. Whether you want to wear your watch on the left wrist or on the right wrist. With this feature you can do both. If you open up the general settings and scroll a little bit down, you can toggle on the orientation feature. Now you can tell the watch if you want to wear it on the right or on the left side. Plus, and that is the important part, you can change the position of the keys. The watch face will flip upside down, causing the keys to be on the other side. Within the advanced features, you can customize your buttons. So you can tell the watch which apps to open if you double or long press the home key. I always want to have a very quick access either to my Spotify or my sport modes. The lower button can be customized as well, and that one either takes you back to the previous page or it opens up all of your latest tabs so you can switch between apps a little bit faster. A quick tip, if you have a smartphone with wireless charging, which I don't, but you can actually put the watch on the backside of your phone and start charging it. In my experience, you will have to remove your case first, and charging it does take a while. If you freshly unbox this watch, you will get the Bixby voice assistant by default. But you can actually change that and switch over to the Google Voice Assistant if you want to. All you gotta do is to either install the Google Assistant app over in your Play Store, or if you already have it, make sure that is up to date. And once you've done that, you can head over into your settings, find Google and toggle on Hey Google, so you don't even have to press a key anymore. And now you can just start calls, workouts, set timers, ask for the weather, and some simple stuff like that. Some very cool things you can do is toggle on the gesture controls in your advanced settings. Once you've done that, you can just shake your arm to answer call or vice versa. You can rotate your wrist twice to dismiss alerts and calls. And lastly, by doing a little knock knock motion with your hand, you can quickly start any of your apps on your smartwatch. If it's the compass, Google Maps, stopwatch, or your phone feature, it's really up to you. A feature that already a lot of Apple users like are the chimes and the ticking sound. You've got to find the system setting sounds first, and right here you can turn on the hourly chimes and the ticking sound. So every time you are opening up an app or type something on the keyboard, either to look up for a new app or to respond to text messages, you will always hear a little ticking sound. So regarding the text messages, if you install the gBoard app from the Google Play Store, which I highly suggest doing, you can not only type to write a text, but you can also just swipe with your finger across the screen to write a text, which is a lot faster. But be sure to have the swipe motion toggle on in the settings of your messages first, otherwise it won't work. A feature that I really like a lot on this watch is the media control. Not only can you navigate through the music that you're playing, but if you have some videos running on your smartphone, you can even control that too. By turning down the volume or up the volume, you can stop and play, or you can just skip over to the next video. You can either find this feature as a separate tile that you can add to your watch, or it will automatically pop up once it notices that a video or music is playing on your phone. So let's get over to my favorite feature on a smartwatch, and those are the workout modes. Now, you know that you have super many sport modes on the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, but did you know that you can even customize your workout display? So before you start a workout, you can click on the workout screen and change up to 2 separate displays with each 3 to 7 different metrics on it that you can choose yourself. So you can either track your heart rate, pace, speed, calories, time, distance, duration, at the same time, just to name a few of your options. Also, once you started a workout like hiking, you have a track back option. You can choose the frequency as well as the time you want it to track you, and now once you forget how to get back to your starting point, you don't have to worry anymore. Also, the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro has a running coach. If you click the settings icon below it, you can choose a target first, like light walking or endurance running. And once you start the workout, the watch will immediately start coaching you. A unique feature that you will only find on Samsung watches is the body composition. All you gotta do is to place your fingers on the 2 side buttons for a few seconds, and after that you get to see stuff like your BMR, BMI, your fat mass. But the really cool part is that over in the Health app, you can even set targets like for your weight, skeletal muscle, or your body fat, and you can set a time in which you want to reach that target. A rather small and pretty hidden feature that you will find in your Compass app is if you scroll up, you can actually check out the altitude and the pressure and your GPS locations. Next up, I want to talk about the voice recorder. Even though not many of us are using this app, but if you click on the little T icon, you will toggle on the speech to text. So once you record your memo, it will be sent straight over to your smartphone, and over here, all of your words in your recording will be converted into a text. Alright guys, we are almost done. A really quick one is that if you click your two buttons at the same time, you will take a screenshot of your current display. This one will be saved over in your gallery, on your watch, and on your smartphone. So you can always share it with your buddies. Now, if you're someone who puts his smartphone somewhere and you can't find it afterwards, then don't worry. With the Find My Phone feature, you can make your phone ring using your watch. And that even works the other way around. As long as the watch is hooked up to your Samsung account, you can just go over to your Samsung wearable app, click on Find My Watch, and make it ring. And guys, that's already it for today. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and with that being said, I will see you in the next one. Peace.